about your name, master.
Oh, God. Guys, I'm telling you, this is a great movie. But welcome back to the channel. Have a brand new video for you. This is your girl, Miranda. She has a brand new album out. Be sure to check it out. This song is called Amazing God. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like below. Whew. I heard this movie. I was like, I gotta break this down and figure out what's going on. So let's look at it. Going to the classical, you know, one of the songs, Jesus, Jesus. So they do something like this. Jesus. Do that, and I was like, bro, what are they doing? So very simple. So let's break this down. This song you consider it being C minor or E flat major. So the same notes that start on the song starts on the 6th, but this part it goes to, you can think of it as an E flat major. So the E flat is the 1, F is the 2, G is the 3, A flat is the 4, B flat is the 5, C is the 6, D is the 7, and back to E flat, which is the 1. So, what's going on? To change, they're going from that 5/4, that goes to the 5. They go to the 5/1/4. There is something about your name. It normally goes 3, 6, 2, 5, 1, right? Or whatever way you want to do it. It's a very basic way. So they're doing that same progression, but they did it like this. They did that. I did my little move at the end, but that's the gist to it. So let's break it down. So the left hand's gonna go with the G tritone, which is G and D flat. Go down a half step to a G flat tritone, which is G and C, and then go back up. So all together is da, da, da. And the right hand's gonna do the same thing. So. Then what you gonna do after that is trill up from the C, D flat, D. Then you're gonna hit a C7 in the left hand, so C and B flat at the same time. So, right? So all together is. I like to do the little off timing. We can go either one. So, then you're gonna come back down to this. Oh my God, it's so nice. It's like a C flat now. That's a dope chord. So C, B flat, E, D flat. Keep that D right there. Or you can go either one. Another thing you can do is this. That's a nice. There's so much tension in that because you can do this because for me this is like a whole passing move. It's not really. No one's not really singing on that time. It's just a passing progression. So. You can do it there, or you can do that, nice and simple. Turn to a C7 with a flat 9, which is just E, and D flat. So, then you can hit the C, and then the left hand's gonna go A and E flat. So, and you go to D at the same time. So, they hit the F sharp or G flat. Then walk the left hand down to A flat and D and hit the F in the right hand. See that? So right now we're on the 5. So then we're gonna do this nice movement right here. Left hand's gonna go E flat A, E flat tritone to a D tritone, D and A to a E flat and G. And the right hand's gonna go C and F, B and E, B flat and D. So all together is E flat, A, C, F, E, A flat, B, E flat, G, B flat, D. So trust me, it might take some time to get that movement under your hands, but once you get it, it's so nice. And show you how it actually sounds. So she goes. So that is the whole thing in context. So from there, what you can do is take this and remember what bass notes this stuff is being played over. The whole idea is a 3, 6, 2, 5, 1 progression. So what do I mean by that? So you can take this at any time you want to go from the 3 to the 6, from the 6 to the 2, from the 2 to the 5, whatever, any iteration, you can start throwing these movements in. So let's see if we can think of something we can do. So what you want to do from there is begin to take this entire concept and just take the parts that you need from it. Because sometimes you might not be able to play that whole thing. You can just go, because I'm going from the 3 to the 6. So let's see. So because you can, because you can. So I'm going from be because you can, right? So I said I love you. I love you. I love you. Right? So so I love you, I love you, I love you. So that is the whole move, guys. I hope you enjoyed these little bit of these mini lessons that we're doing, just looking at some ideas. There's a whole bunch of moves in this song I'm going to be breaking down. So let's play it one more time. And like I said, take this and just break these parts down and apply them to whatever you're working on, because it's going to change your life. Trust me. Transcribing is amazing. It forces you to use that ear and learn new chords. So one more time, let's do that part and I'm going to let you guys go. But be sure, if you haven't done so yet, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you. Let's go.